Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday now. I ordered some parts that are supposed to get here today, so maybe I'll install those once they get here. I don't know. Actually, let's go run to the mailbox and see if I got anything in the mail. What? A little confused because I checked the tracking information last night and it says it was delivered, but it's not in the mailbox. That's a little concerning. I don't know where else it would be. Oh. They were both literally sitting right here. Passed these for like the past 2 days. I just figured they weren't mine. Nope, they're both mine. Yes! It's like Christmas. I'm so excited. Finally, this is like one of the parts that I was most excited for when I first got my car. I really wanted one of these. Here she is. HKS SSQ4 blow-off valve. Wow. I found this used from somebody on Instagram that I bought, and this is all it came with. And he said that he is in the middle of a move or something and lost the fin that makes that special chirping noise that everyone loves, including me, which is why I wanted this thing. So that's why I got this HKS Super SQV special fin. So the other day I replaced 2 lug studs on the rear wheel back there that were bent and just broken from the previous owner, and then today I found another one that is bent, so I'm going to replace in the front now. Saddest thing ever.
Did your wheel got back ordered?
Again! Say hi! Or not? It's Sunday again. My favorite day to film, apparently. I just swung by AutoZone and Home Depot to pick up a hose that will fit my new blow-off valve from AutoZone, and then an adapter, because there's different sized hoses. So I got an adapter to go from, what was it, 1/4 to 1/8. So I got that. Where is it? Hold on. Wait for it. Yay. Now it'll work. So I can go finish installing my blow-off valve. I'll show you when we get back to the shop, but I already plugged one of the hoses that my old recirculating valve was using. But now, since I have an atmospheric blow-off valve, I needed to plug that up. Yesterday I threw on my friend's spare wheels. He just got new wheels, so his old wheels were just sitting there, and they just so happened to be the spec that I need. Did I just miss my turn? No. So I'm not rubbing anymore, which also means I can go lower. I want to slam my car. Problem. There is a nail in one of his tires that I already put on my car, and I don't know which tire has the nail in it. So I'm gonna jack up my car, find whichever tire has the hole, bring it in this car and then take it to Bell Tire someday this week to plug it, so then I can put it back on my car and then I can finally start driving her. Alright, so far today I replaced my old intake with this different one. It's a used one, but my old intake, where did it go? So this is my old one, and it just turns freely, which I don't think it's supposed to. So I threw that other one on. Eventually I want to get maybe a pairing one or something. But yeah, that's what we did. And then so this was the hose that I plugged earlier that I was telling you about right here, and then I used an expansion plug to plug it, and then I got my new hoses. So obviously I don't need this length, I'm gonna trim it and everything, but this is the size of the old one, and the new one a lot skinnier if it wants to focus. Yeah, so from 1/4 to 1/8. So now I can plug this end back down there. I know you can't see, but I'm gonna plug that down there. And then this obviously goes to this end. And then we should be good to go. Alright, so update, I put everything back together. Now I think I can start my car. Pickle! Come here! Pickle! Hey dude! What's going on? He smells so good, he just had a shower the other day. A bath, same thing. Okay. Shall we start her up? I think so. So good. Pickle, did you hear that? I can't wait to drive it. I just want to drive her. Success. Old bypass valve. Gonna post it for sale on Marketplace probably. If you're in the local area and you want it, hit me up. If you're not, I can ship it to you. Let me know. Alright, so I definitely lied. I'm not gonna do the wheels today. I'm gonna do that another night. I'm really tired, not gonna lie. Pickles is tired. It's been a long weekend. Got a lot done though, which is good. But yeah, I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna go home, edit some videos probably, and get ready for work this week, which we're working on these 2 Lambos, which will be fun. Let's go home. Good night. Okay, gotta get all my stuff. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this clip here. I don't know when I'm filming next or what I'm filming next, but I'll see you then. Bye. Good news, I took my tire in to get plugged because there was the nail in it like I told you. So when I picked it up, the nail is out of there and I'm not leaking, so we're good to go. Oh, that is good news. No leak, no charge. Not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting that. Yay! We are like 1 week out from leaving for Nashville for Slammed Enough. Officially today. Today's Thursday, we're leaving next Thursday. So it's kind of crunch time, a little bit. I still have to finish my livery. But I'm on new wheels, which is good. That was like the main concern for me. My other tires were too thick and I was rubbing on my fenders because I lowered my car. And now that I'm on smaller tires, I can lower my car more, which I wanted to do. And I won't be rubbing on my freshly rewrapped fenders. Pretty excited. This is my first big car show. I think like first official car show I've ever entered in. So yeah, I don't really know what to expect, but I'm excited and yeah, it'll be a fun trip. Okay, I'm going back to the shop now.